to Daydreamer. I'm starting this channel because journaling literally changed my life. But I lost that habit somewhere in the journey. ഇപ്പോൾ ഞാൻ അതേ ഹാബിറ്റിനെ തിരിച്ചു പിടിക്കാനുള്ള ഒരു ചെറിയ ശ്രമത്തിലാണ്. If you're someone who is kind of looking to start a new habit or trying to stay consistent with something or maybe feeling a little lost in life right now, maybe this can help. ഞാൻ പണ്ട് കൺസിസ്റ്റൻ്റ്ലി ജേർണലിംഗ് ചെയ്തായിരുന്നു. പക്ഷേ ബാക്ക് ദെൻ കുറേ ലൈഫ് ചേഞ്ചിങ് മൊമെൻറ്റ്സ് ഉണ്ടായ കാരണം ആ ഒരു ഹാബിറ്റ് വാസ് ഈസിലി റീപ്ലേസബിൾ. But right now, I'm in a state where I badly want that habit to come back because journaling in a കുറേം calm and peaceful and ഒരു പെർട്ടിക്കുലർ കാര്യത്തിനിൽ ഭയങ്കര കൺസിസ്റ്റൻ്റ് ആവാൻ വേണ്ടി ഹെൽപ്പ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. So I thought starting this channel will help me to stay motivated and accountable because I have a couple of viewers waiting for my video. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഞാൻ വിചാരിച്ചത് maybe starting a YouTube channel would be the best way for me to restart this old habit that I truly loved and I really want to bring back to my life. Many of you might think journaling means just collecting a few stickers and sticking them to your book, or maybe writing long paragraphs, or maybe it's about having good handwriting. പക്ഷേ ഇതൊന്നും അല്ല. Journaling is just about you, about your emotions, about your clarity. It's basically a small space designed by you, just for you. I'll share some ideas, some templates, very easy methods on how to start with journaling and how to stay consistent with it, if I can stay consistent with it, or maybe just introduce you to this whole wide world of journaling. Appo, no big promises, but if you are someone who's looking to start something new, a new habit, or journaling for that matter, come on, join me, subscribe to my channel, and we can do this together. I hope I have convinced you to stick with me. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് അടുത്ത വീഡിയോയിൽ കാണാം, where I'll be sharing some basic things that you might need to start journaling. So I'll meet you next week. Keep dreaming and keep creating.